What's up, squad? It's your boy Trey, aka Daddy Seed. Thanks for stopping by the channel today. If it's your first time here, do me a quick favor. Hit that notification bell down below so you can stay on top of our content as we drop it. And if you've been here before, thanks so much for rocking out with us, vibing with our content on the way to 5K and beyond. And that's a big goal for us. We appreciate all the support and love. Do me a favor, share this out to your friends, tell your friends and coworkers or whatever, family, all that good stuff. Keep rocking and help us grow the channel. All right. So today, as you see, we are at a skate park. We're here in the Baltimore area, one of the biggest skate parks in my vicinity, really. A lot of skaters here, just out here, just doing their thing. I love the vibe. And we're here to talk about a shoe that just dropped that I got in a collection. And of course, it's a Nike SB. Now, Jordan Brand, Nike's been doing a lot of stuff, and I really feel like Nike SB is really where the magic has been happening. Right? A lot of things, a lot of new releases, a lot of dope colorways, quality materials, dope designs. And today we're talking about a shoe that I'm happy to get, and it is the Nike SB Rayssa Leal. So this shoe, it looks like the name is Rayssa, but it's actually pronounced Rayssa. She's from Brazil, 16 years old, started from the bottom, literally skating with holes in her shoes to now having a signature shoe with Nike SB. And the shoe itself, I think, is super dope, definitely different design compared to things we've seen, in a while, good while. This shoe released March 20th, $125. And let's just get right into it. So, like I said, Rayssa is from a town in Brazil. She started and burst onto the scene when she was 7 years old. I mean, that's crazy to burst onto the scene when you're 7. But her parents, meager beginnings, they said all they could afford to give her was a skateboard because they didn't have a lot of money, something she picked up and has excelled in. It went viral at 7 doing a heel flip video, and that went viral on Vine. So for some of the OGs, this was like 2015. Vine, which is no longer a thing, was popping back then, went viral on Vine. Tony Hawk, skateboard king, saw the video, pushed it out, I guess, in his channels and things, and the video continued to go. And now she rides for April Skateboards and Shane O'Neill, doing a great, championships and wins under her belt. Won the 2020 Tokyo Olympics silver medal in street skating, which is amazing. She did that when she was, I think, 12. Crazy, right? She's 12. She's 16 now, so it was 4 years ago. So 12 years old, Rayssa Leal, and now her own signature shoe with Nike SB. And this is the one we're talking about here. If you look at the materials of the shoe, she's got like a suede around the toe strap, this kind of forefoot, and the back strap panels. That's kind of debossed with some graphics, right? It's like rails, benches, things that she likes to skate on, and really like a skate park. Her favorite colors are pink and blue. So you got those swooshes and like a tumbled leather on both sides of the shoe. You got navy blue with the Nike and the gray suede on the back. And you've got these smiley faces, which is like part of her logo situation that they debossed in the side panels of the shoe. And then up in the back, you got her logo. So when she was 7 years old, she was big into Peter Pan, wore like a fairy costume when she was young. And that's kind of been her nickname. She's a fairy, and her logo is the R with little fairy wings on it. Another just dope touches, like a lot of detail and touches in her shoe design. She's got these little beads, and I tell you what, my daughter is 13, and the girls in the bead bracelets, like that's all the rage. She's into like Taylor Swift, and they do heavy bead bracelets. So this is something that looks very familiar. Definitely got to cop a pair of these for my baby girl as well. But the smiley faces, multicolored there. It comes laced with white laces. You got a vinyl tongue here, and the pink, this fuchsia pink Nike SB says Rayssa's Dunk. She even got her name under the Nike SB as well. And then on the back of the tongue, her smiley face as well. Just overall, man, a lot of dope touches. The insoles of the shoe, you got pink on one, and the other is blue. So the pink and blue kind of, obviously, it's a two-color situation going on here, pink and blue, and it comes with pink and blue laces. So the laces in here, the extra laces, you get pink and blue, and I think I may do one pink and one blue just to kind of bring out that color in the shoe. Overall, you got the gum sole, the white midsole, the blue Nike SB on the bottom, and again, this is, I think, a dope design shoe. dope backstory. Like there's a lot of detail with Rayssa, and she's just all about perseverance. I was watching a video of her, and with all of her achievements, right? She's got money. She's making money now. Riding for April Skateboard. She's sponsored by Monster Energy and a couple other brands. But she's still, she got 2 years left of high school, and she's traveling for competitions and filming and super busy, but doing online school to, finish her high school education, which is, just dope. She's like an amazing role model for young girls, young people who are, pursuing their dreams and their passion, but still prioritizing the priorities, right? The education and all that. Even with all this glitz and glamour, your own signature shoe, because she said in one of the videos, she wants that to be able to fall back on. When skating, she can't skate forever. I mean, when you're 35 years old, I don't know, maybe some people, the knees and the ankles and the joints, what happens when you get older, you get injured, right? So she understands having that kind of backup situation for when she gets older. Overall, again, dope entry. So happy to get these in the collection. The box itself, it's the cream box era, and the label here, if you want to see it. Somehow, people were on these, but they weren't scooping them up out of boatload. And of course, we know a lot of that has to do with, the resale price and that kind of thing, which I don't care about. I just wanted them. I don't care what the value of them is, because these are going on feet. So I will be coming back with an on foot video showing you how these look with, an outfit, something to wear. But fit wise, true to size for me on all Nike SBs. I just roll with the true to size, and they fit perfect for me. Very comfortable. You get the Nike SB padding, right? The zoom pouch in the heel, memory foam in the front of that midsole, the insole inside. And yeah, that's about it. Love the shoe. Rating for me, I would say this is probably 9 out of 10. I think it's just really dope. I mean, I don't know what some people, like I said, were passing on this, and they rate like the Jarritos, like just all, out of this universe. But I think this is like up there with that kind of design. I mean, it's not as iconic as a brand that's been around so long like Jarritos and the drinks, but as far as detail on this shoe, like look at this, man. Like what more do people want? I don't understand. Can anybody tell me what more do you want? To look at this shoe and say, nah, I'm good. I think it's dope. I'm glad to get it. But again, that's my opinion. And again, that's the beauty of sneakers. You buy what you like what you like. If you don't like it, that's fine. If you think it's total trash, that's fine too. I dig it. I bought it, and I'm going to wear it. So there's that. All right, y'all. So that's all I got for today. Thanks for stopping in on this video, and I will see you on the next one, y'all. Peace.